We present you a new deep ultraviolet LED sterilizer which has no analogs. The main principle of its work is confidence and safety. Bacteria encircle us every second. They settle on our body, clothes, smartphones, and all surrounding objects. We do not always have the opportunity to wash our hands, and even more so to disinfect things. And this puts us at risk and creates emotional discomfort. That is why we have created a new modular sterilizer. It weighs twice less than your smartphone. The device is compact and convenient to carry with you wherever you are. Due to different tasks, we have created this device with 3 operating modes. With the device in your hand, you can disinfect furniture, bedding, clothes, the surface of the toilet, and anything else that you can reach with a sterilizer. Toothbrush box disinfected mode. All you need to do is stick the device on the bathroom wall. The appliance will start working as soon as you lock the brushes in a vertical position. Imagine that in order to disinfect your smartphone, you no longer need to wipe it with cotton wool soaked in an alcohol disinfectant. Put your glasses, headphones, masks, or anything else you often touch with your hands in a special case to get it disinfected. Press one button and after a few seconds get them and feel free to continue. The device will kill 99.9% of bacteria without a single drop of liquid, no more alcohol solutions or boiling. The sterilizer has gravity sensors that turn off the device if there is a risk to get ultraviolet burn on your skin. Moreover, the device has a built-in safety lock, protection against accidental activation by children. Convenient and versatile Type-C charger allows you to quickly charge the device. Charging time is almost the same as your smartphone. All these benefits will allow you to feel even more protected and safe from external threats in everyday life. Stay safe with the Riomee Deep Ultraviolet Sterilizer.